Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a 3D model from existing to D drawing with the help of FreeCAD tools like Pocket, Mirror, Fillet, and Extrude. This is the exercise for today that we need to convert this 3D ISO drawing into 3D solid part. As you know, there are several ways or steps to create this 3D solid part. Here you find 5 steps and the FreeCAD tools that I used to convert this 3D drawing into 3D solid part. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD workspace and to create the parametric solid part. As you see, the body is inserted automatically. In step 1, we create the main part of the solid part on XY plane. We create this 3D model in 5 steps. These are the dimensions for the first sketch. Now create a new sketch for the profile and choose the XY plane to sketch on. Constrain the rectangle to the axis. Now create a circle profile with diameter of 50 millimeters. Create a rectangular profile with the polyline tool. Select the endpoints and the symmetry axis and then activate the symmetry tool. Assign the dimensions for the profile. Now, remove unnecessary edges and curves. Select the sketch and extrude it by 50 millimeters. In step 2, we remove material from the created part. Select the top surface and then activate the Sketch tool. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then set the depth to 35 mm. In the next step, we remove again material from the top part of the created part. Choose Centered Rectangle tool. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then set the depth to 15 mm. Don't forget to like and share the video. Now we create the part of the solid part which is defined as position 4 and we mirror it later. Select the side face and then activate the Sketch tool. Extract the reference edge. Trim unnecessary edges and curves. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Select the sketch and extrude it by 30 mm. Now, we create the bigger circle with a diameter of 36 mm. Now, we mirror the last two operations about XZ plane. The last step is to create a fillet at the edge and to remove material from the created part. First, we create a fillet with a radius of 25 millimeters. Let us create reference curves and edges from the existing part. Remove unnecessary edges and curves. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then select the option through all. Now, we create the hole with a diameter of 36 millimeters and depth 5 millimeters. Select the pocket and activate the mirror tool. Select the mirror plane. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.